How to use Photoshop free on Windows or Mac. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Photoshop completely free on both Windows and Mac by using an awesome alternative called Photopea. Photoshop is the industry standard for graphic design and photo editing, but the subscription model means it now costs over $20 per month to use. This is where Photopea comes in. It's a free online app that works right in your browser with nearly all the same features as Photoshop. The interface is almost identical, so if you're familiar with PS, you'll pick it up instantly. Let's see how it's done. First, open your browser and go to photopea.com. You'll be greeted with a familiar Photoshop-like interface. You can choose to either log in or use it without logging in. For now, we'll go without logging in to get started quickly. Here's how to create a project in it and create gradient text. Go to Photopea and create a project. Adjust width, height, DPI, and background. Choose a template for your project. Add text and then add gradient fill. Remember the second I added to teach you not to. In less than a minute, you've created a beautiful piece of text that will elevate your project to the next level. Photopea isn't just about text. You can design and edit images too. Plus, you can export them in different formats to suit your needs. Explore the wide range of tools Photopea offers for image editing. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Once you're satisfied with your masterpiece, it's time to export it. Photopea supports various formats, so you're covered no matter where your design will be used. Photopea has over 100 templates that you can use to save time and get things done in minutes. Whether you're working on social media graphics, presentations, or business cards, there's a template for you. Photopea has over 100 templates that you can use to save time and get things done in minutes. Whether you're working on social media graphics, presentations, or business cards, there's a template for you. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, Chromebook, or even Linux, you can use the full power of Photoshop for free through Photopea, and there are no limits. Use it as much as you want. So if you've been hesitant about that monthly Photoshop subscription, give Photopea a try first. It's the next best thing and won't cost you a cent. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our creative tutorials.